Hello, coaches.
एक ऑनेस्ट सवाल, जब इमोशंस हेवी हो जाते हैं हम सब बोलना थोड़ा कम और फील करना ज़्यादा चाहते हैं, राइट? स्पेशली चिल्ड्रन, जिनसे दुनिया आंसर्स मांग लेती है पर उनके इमोशंस तो अभी से फील करना सीख रहे होते हैं, राइट?
Our next speaker works in that beautiful space जहाँ words थोड़े साइड हो जाते हैं और colors feelings की जगह बन जाते हैं. Because let's admit, कभी-कभी adults को भी vocabulary नहीं मिलती है. Imagine children.
She is the first TEDx speaker and author from Deep Coaches. And her journey has beautifully evolved from individual workshops to year-long school partnerships across Mumbai.
With alphabetical parenting now available in Hindi also, her vision is crystal clear. हर घर तक emotionally rooted, simple tools पहुंचाना beyond class, language और circumstances. तो आए words को थोड़ा rest दे और colors को बोलने का मौका दें. Please welcome Miss Karen Claire Telema.
हेलो कोचेस, पर्दे करो किनारे, खूंटे से बंधी है हवा, मिलके छुड़ाओ सारे.
हेलो कोचेस, हेलो ग्रोथ.
आ जाओ पतंग लेके.
Thank you so much for this very, very warm welcome. And thank you, Manish sir. It's always a joy, a privilege to be standing here with my esteemed colleagues, each of you a legend in your own steam. Because we are coaches, na, words are our power. And because we are coaches and parents, na, तो ज़्यादा होती है questioning की बात. Today, for the next 25 minutes, we are going to keep aside, I request you please, keep aside the words and allow this experience of colors. So I want to ask you, do you have pages and colors and crayons on your table? Yes, we have. Okay, there is a crayon box. ठीक है. तो शुरू करें by coming into the present moment. And this is not in the present moment. So we'll come into the present moment. I just want you to check if your screens are blank. ठीक है? Yes. So come. I want you to pause for a while. Keep your hand on your heart. Feel what you feel. चाय अच्छा था. Next is my session. मेरा session खत्म हुआ, thank God. घर पे हो रहा है सब ठीक. Just feel what you feel. Look at the crayons. Open your eyes and look at the crayons in front of you. One color will come to you. Choose that color and become a bachcha and start scribbling. Let that emotion of whatever you're feeling inside come out through your hand via the crayon onto the paper. You may want to do hard, you may want to do it lightly, you may want to change your color. Absolutely fine, follow your heart. Okay? Hands down, pens down. School में बोलते हैं ना, pens down. How many of you felt like continuing? Okay. How many of you felt even a little shift, थोड़ी सी, 19-20, inside you? Imagine doing 3 minutes of this. 30 seconds में अगर थोड़ी सी the needle has shifted. And that's what we are talking about today, the power of color, the power of what you can do restraining your words. Yes? Sir always says, na, connect before you correct. Today we are going to regulate before we have conversation. Familiar faces? In our own homes, among clients, neighbors, nephews, nieces, familiar classrooms, yes, everywhere. Put yourself into the shoes of a lay person. Coach mat banna, abhi filhal, okay? When you see this, what is the first thing a person says or asks? Exactly. Kya hua? Whichever be the language. Whichever be the language. Kya hua? And what is the answer we get? We've come from different cities. All of us are more or less giving the same answer. Universal truth. Imagine this. We know something is wrong. Our gut says something is wrong. They're not talking to us. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है in the language, in the communication. तो कुछ करना ज़रूरी है. We are going to toddlers and teenagers. दोनों T से है. There's a vast difference in sizes. फिर भी common core बात नहीं करते हैं. So when you see a toddler there, give me the reasons why someone would say कि नहीं करना, बात नहीं करना है, or they are just doing whatever they are doing. Give me reasons why this is happening. Yes? They just want to express पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है. Yes? They don't have vocabulary. Yes? They have only emotions, and emotions are so big they don't know what to do. Anything else? They can't express themselves. Yes? Yes? Okay. Exactly. नहीं समझेंगे. Yes, sir. They are not aware of what's happening. Emotions are growing out of control. Yes, sir. Brilliant. Teenagers क्यों बात करते हैं? Teenagers बात क्यों नहीं करते हैं? I love that. बोल कर क्या फायदा? सुनना, मुझे ही सुनना पड़ेगा बोलने के बाद. आप नहीं समझेंगे. Yes. Exactly. वापस सुनना पड़ेगा. Judgment आ जाएगी. So moral of the story is दोनों बंद. Yes? But this na is a universal truth. When stress accelerates, when stress goes higher, the access to language reduces. Irrespective of your geographical location, gender, age, I mean you and me both, irrespective, when stress goes high, the access to language decreases. The thing is that we've been calling it a behavioral issue because we are dealing with kids. Dealing with adults, we say बहुत moody है. But it's not it's a neurological sequence, not even a problem. It's a neurological sequence. Okay? And we'll understand this thoda sa. We are familiar with this? Sink is overflowing. क्या करे क्या ना करे कैसी मुश्किल हाय क्या करना है? What's the first thing? What's the first thing you do when you see a close the tap? Excellent. Close the tap बहुत ज़रूरी है. But can you use the sink like that? तो क्या करना है? Blockage निकालना है, drain करना है. So easy it is, na, to talk about something like that, na? when it comes to our children, तो सोचना पड़ता है. Exactly. Emotional waters rising. Yes? Very easy. Emotional waters rising. We are not focusing on bringing the water down. What we are saying? First question. क्या हुआ? What happened? क्यों हुआ? किसने किया? How is it you don't know what happened? You're so grown up, you don't know. See, when you're comparing it to a sink, it's making so much of nonsense, na? Meaning you're realizing how stupid those questions are when you are actually comparing a sink to it. When the sink is not in your mind, the image is not in your mind, it's so easy to flow those questions. Jado, like we say in Mumbai. Just keep asking. But when you have a sink in mind, you realize कि पूछने से कुछ फायदा नहीं, अभी मुझे drain करना है. And that is where your color comes in. Let's understand the science behind it, okay? I gave you the parallel. I gave you the easy parallel in real life, sinky example. यहाँ पर क्या होता है? Now become coaches for 2 seconds के लिए ताकि I get my answers. Amygdala hijacks the situation, pura system, because it's protecting me and it is seeing some threat because of the stress in the body. Survival mode, exactly. So amygdala has started saying survival mode में जाना है, इस बच्चे को protect करना है, hijacks the whole system. System hijack हुआ मतलब prefrontal cortex बंद, shutters down. What does the prefrontal cortex do? Logic, reasoning, analysis, thinking, decision making, and it needs to speak. Articulation है ही नहीं, because I can't reason, I cannot think. तो articulation कहाँ हो जाएगी? क्या बात करूँगी मैं? This is what I spoke about earlier in the previous slide to that about neurological sequence, because it's not a behavior. It is happening inside me. मुझे पता भी नहीं है ये सब हो रहा है. I just see the symptoms outside कि shutters down. Yes? Now, भगवान ना बहुत प्यारा है यार. He's such a beautiful God. If shutters down happen this side, he keeps one thing open, the sensory system. He never blocks completely. फुर्सत से बनाया जो बोलते हैं ना, he's really made us beautifully. So, thinking, cognitive has shut down. Sensory is still open. I'll give you the simple example. Imagine this, okay? You're feeling a little blue. You're feeling a little low. And you see a friend coming in. थोड़ा सा lift हो जाती है? I know some of you have imagined the friend's face also. Immediately dopamine rush. It just fills you. So there's sight. What you did, you created an image of my emotions on the page. I'm seeing it with my eyes. Sight. Second, how many of you have said, must go for a walk? How many of you have gone for a walk when you're stressed? You go for a walk? Momentum, movement. Scribbling क्या किया आपने? Color क्या किया आपने? Movement? Okay. So there's movement and then there is sight. From the time you have come here, I don't think there's anyone who's not been hugged. Everyone has been hugged. That pressure, na, it just gives you that josh. Yes. Absolutely. That's the pressure you put on your crayon, na? Didn't you put that pressure on your crayon? So you have your movement, you have your pressure, and you have your image. All that is coming from color. And it is scientific to tell you that that is your drain. The emotions that are coming in have somewhere to go. लेकिन you all know कोविड के टाइम पे तो बाहर नहीं जा सकते थे, so there's no movement. लोग आने तो नहीं आ सकते हैं, so there's no image. But colors give you that out. It gives you that out. Are we clear on the same page till now? Yes, it makes sense. Are you intrigued with this whole concept? Simple सी concept, but बोल दो ना और बोल दो ना. Okay. So, color creates a drain for the system. The neurological system that is really churning emotions, whatever. I know and I don't want to talk. I don't know what to talk about. I don't know how to talk, irrespective. Emotion rise, water level comes down. The emotional water level comes down. The sink becomes usable again. My system, because abhi bahar nikla na, system becomes usable again. If the system is usable, language to वापस आ ही जाएगा. थोड़ी देर बाद. The example that Meenakshi ma'am said, थोड़ी देर बाद, that child would have said कि क्या हुआ है. Whenever you are talking to kids, once that बंद हो जाती है, then they'll say पता है क्या हुआ. Then they are calmer to talk and articulate things. Yes? Are you ready to become children again? Yes? You are liking it? You are ready to do it? शिद्दत से, दिल से. Okay, ठीक है. Drain वाला, हाँ. Thank you for noticing. Thank you for noticing. Because the drain and the painting was there. Yes, the drain and the painting. So, ma'am, I took little trouble with the PowerPoint slides. Thodi si. I took trouble to make that. Anyway, come let's be kids for a while, okay? Now, to be kids, what are we going to do? Again, I'm going to guide you first and then you're going to change it, okay? So take a moment. Close your eyes and think of yesterday evening. Baap re. What was yesterday evening? Packing my things, packing somebody else's things, setting the house, making sure that everybody knew what they were supposed to do in my absence, coordinating with the other deep coaches, somebody saying coming from here, coming from there. I've missed some messages. Chaos, anxiety. What were you feeling inside? Quickly open your eyes. You've got 30 seconds. Pour it out on the paper. How you felt yesterday evening. Flip the paper over. Take the back of the paper. 30 seconds on the clock. What I feel yesterday. Paint. यहाँ पर तो कॉपी मत करने. You were excited. Put that down. It doesn't have to be only negative. It can be whatever you felt in that moment. Brilliant. Excellent. Brilliant. Brilliant. Okay. Now pause for a while. Shake off. Now come to this morning. This morning when you got in and Manish sir said, hello. And he said, badhiya hai. And he said, welcome. And someone said, welcome to Mumbai. And all those feelings. Put that down. Put those feelings. We'll come to that. We'll come to that. We'll come to that. That's my question at the end. Huh? Okay. Are we done? Does anyone want to just one person quickly share? Ki utha ke? Just brilliant. Can you look around at the pictures? Can you look around at the pages? Can you see the difference? Isn't it beautiful to see the difference between yesterday and today? And my dear friends, that's what we do with our children. This child was tracking anger. Anger. So यहाँ पर ना, what he did was he did in this, normal day. Some days were normal, flourishing, no problem. Some days he was like one hard sun, burning everyone and everything with his language, गाली दी, सब कुछ हो गया था. And some days he was very confused. Some days he was eclipsed. Now, isn't this a better way of the child tracking any habit or any personality trait? Rather than you telling them कि क्या हुआ था, कैसा हुआ था, what degree of anger you felt yesterday, isn't it easier for him to look at this at the end of the week and track it on his own? It is an extremely wonderful tool. Pictures. I showed you a picture. You got the whole story. पूरा story. ठीक है, ये easy था. This was easy. Because we did it so often, it was easy to study it and remember it. Picture books ना बहुत आसान था, and we loved our story books when we were young. पता नहीं क्यों and why the government went and changed in the higher classes, brought all these textbooks into proper PhD style, text, and more text. And as the child moves, it gets more difficult. And then, na, smart, we become adults. और हम क्या करते हैं? वापस, give me the word we use when we are doing art, when we are doing presentations, no? What word do we use? When we are using art. Creativity, हाँ. Suppose I'm using it in a presentation, what do I call it? I. PPT में क्या करना है? क्या use करना है? ठीक है, insert image. Tell me over here, I'll come back to that. Tell me over here, if I'm presenting on climate change, which will you tell me to use? Obviously visual, na? We are so smart, na? We use infographics. When we are presenting, we say use flowcharts. Don't give me that whole thing, give it to me in a graph. No boss is going to expect and accept a whole paragraph. Everyone wants quick. So we go back na, to pictures and colors. Yes? Now, why we do this is because, yes, it's our mother tongue is whatever it is, but our first language is always art, always images. Our mind works in images. Down the years, we have created clutter. Down the years, we become serious. Down the years, we become adult before our time. And now it becomes difficult to go back to images, but that's where the secret of your release lies. Okay? This is adults working. You know how you have myself? When you have the paragraph, myself. If the anchors tell us, say something about yourself, we go into 40 minutes instead of 4 seconds. When in school they tell you, speak about myself, we have 4 lines and uske baad gaadi atak jati hai. And yet, we need to know about ourselves much deeper than what we think we know. And this was images created by, in a women's group, actual images that they had created of themselves. बच्चे क्या करते हैं? How can we get it from children? Very simple. Do the outline. Ask them to put a color into whatever's happening in their body. Don't look at the writing because the writing happened afterwards in discussion. But that was what they created. And these are 5th standard kids. So that is how powerful art is. Colors can actually empower you. It regulates the nervous system because now drain ho rahi hai. It externalizes the emotion. You can see what you're feeling, whether you're crowded, colored, whether you're calm, shant. Therefore, it reduces the pressure. We said momentum, writing, seeing, pressure makes you feel safe. No one knows what you have drawn. Now, if I pick up some art over here, you look at your partner's art on the table, you don't know what actually is. So, teenagers find art journaling brilliant because they are expressing, but they are sure कि किसी के हाथ में भी journal मिले ना, I am still safe. Okay? One word of caution, you are not a therapist. You are not a counselor. And that I'm saying that with capital letters, colors, everything. So as a lay person, one thing you can do is use colors, encourage the use of colors, but do not interpret, do not judge, do not interpret, do not analyze, do not do anything. You can ask, you can nudge gently. I'm going to show you this very quickly. This was, again, myself in a different style. They had to create a collage, okay? If I show you this, if you were being this interpreter wala, what would you say about this? Friendship, okay? So maybe that he likes friends, he will miss. If you're looking at this, now think of the... One is saying he wants to fly high. One other? His dreams. Somebody is saying travel. See, think about how many interpretations are coming to this. Huh? And the child is not talking to you. Ye wala. Haan, exactly, Meenakshi ma'am. I am right now. Look at this. Ek minute. I am telling you what the child told me. And I stopped myself after that. हेडफोन्स इसलिए पहनती हूँ घर की आवाज़ बंद करे. He doesn't like music. He doesn't like music. है music तो ठीक है लेकिन he's not a big fan of music. He loves sports. But this is what he created. So if I was interpreting it, I would have gone completely wrong, na? So please, whatever you take from here, I can see all of you all putting notes and all that stuff. When you're using it, use it with caution. Yes? Timekeeper, how much time do I have right now? 2 minutes. So, to close, I'm not closing, I'll give you something to do. Your presence without interpretation is extremely important. All what I have told you is based on science, not because I love arts. It's based on science. On the slides also, there were those markers of from where, which psychologist or psychiatrist has created this. You are going to do something in the next 3 minutes, okay? Go to your last paper, the fresh paper. You've had goals. Whole of December, Jan, you all have been setting goals for yourself. Keep that paper open. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Baap re. Keep that paper open. Close your eyes for a minute. Take a breath. It is Jan 26. You are setting goals. And very gently, in your mind's eye, imagine yourself walking out of a door into Jan 27. And you see yourself there. All goals met, fulfilled, satisfied, brilliant, radiating brilliance. Feel what you feel as an accomplished, fulfilled person. See what you see in that image over there. And whenever you're ready, rub the palms of your hands together, wipe your face, and now create an image of your accomplished self. Your already accomplished self. You want a symbol, you want to draw yourself, entirely you. But remember how you felt, remember what you saw, and put it down on paper. The you that has fulfilled your purpose and is feeling completely fulfilled in your purpose on earth. Watch your breathing as you're doing this. It's feeling calmer, restless. It's feeling good. It's just grown deeper, maybe. And I know many of you will want to stay with this art for much longer time. Saying something. I want you, I know it's incomplete, you can complete it whenever you can. I want you to just hold up the paper and look around. Your accomplished self. In progress. Work in progress. So, my dear friends, I close with this. Before the child can tell their truth, the body needs a gentler route. So let's give color some space, let the feelings roam, and words will slowly but surely find their way home. Yes? Thank you so much for this. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Manish sir, for this platform. I look forward to creating something with art for parenting. And thank you again for the wonderful introduction. And thank each of you for being children and reintroducing yourselves into this. Please take it home. If you can, complete that art, click a pic, keep it on your phone. Yes?
Karen, we have a question for you. We have a question for Karen.
Okay, there's a question. 1 minute.
There are people who cannot express through colors and they cannot draw, but they have only words. How about that?
Okay. So there are many people, have a seat very quickly. Timekeeper, just, okay. Like I said, we start off with images. And then the voices in our head get so strong that we focus on being correct, being perfect, doing the right thing, being the right person. So we lean into this. It's not that you have forgotten, it's your system is full. Language will come back after the emotions have settled. Sometimes reverse karna padta hai. You have to reduce the language so that the flow happens a lot. What I would suggest is nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong in it. There's nothing wrong in it. If you are a person who's always used words, your body knows and feels that that's its strength. क्यों छोड़ेंगे उसको? क्यों छोड़ेंगे? It won't leave. अगर मुझे पता है कि हाथ पकड़ के हाईवे क्रॉस करना है, मैं कभी हाथ नहीं छोड़ूंगी किसी का भी. I will even catch a stranger and say, please help me to cross the highway. So your words won't let you free. What you need to do is wean off thoda sa so that there is a balance. What you can do as a practice is just see what word in the night, what do you feel about your day? Was it heavy? Was it confusing? Was it grateful? Was it whatever word comes to you, tired, what is it? And then go to colors and just create something that it represents. So if I'm feeling tired, what would tired look on a paper? कभी कभार ना एक डॉट आ जाती है, कभी कभार ऐसे एक जलेबी आ जाती है. It's okay. But the more you do this, you will feel a sense of balance and release inside. And one more thing, अगर हो सके तो do this with your non-dominant hand. If you can, do this with your non-dominant hand. It takes time, like someone said, it's a process, but it's a process that's worth it. अब मैं mic छोड़ रही हूँ. Okay, whatever questions later. Yes, that's usually how it works, ma'am. Scribble or draw or art first, and then you get the words. जो भी questions है आप बाद में पूछें ना, because they'll chase me out. Thank you so much.
We will take one question. Karen,
Karen,
before we allow you to leave, we will take one more question.
Not a question, but something that I'd like to add from my understanding to this question that Vinita had asked. And this is something that I've experienced as an educator in the classrooms is many a times in a class of 30 children, there will be around 10 to 12 who will find it difficult to express in the art form. All right, in that time, you can tell them to write down the word very much as you said, to write down the word, because words are also nothing but visuals only. They are also images only. And you will find that when the child is writing that word, the child would be, if it's an aggression, would be, kind of making it darker, or you leave the child with that, and eventually some leaves will start coming out from somewhere. Some dots will start coming out from somewhere, and it will turn into an image, I think. Yeah.
Thank you, Meenakshi ma'am. I needed this explanation.
The biggest problem why art does not work is because we have been told लाइन के अंदर डाल दो, बाहर क्यों कर रहे हो, क्या कौन सा कलर डालना है, कौन सा कलर नहीं डालना है. We've been trained. So conditioning को थोड़ा detox करना है बहुत.
Thank you, Karen. Thank
आज
you so much.
कलर्स ने बोल दिया जो शब्द अभी सीख ही रहे थे. Thank you for letting emotions speak without forcing words.